Go on. Today's supposed to be happy Sunday, but based off of the topics them we are gonna cover today, it probably not too happy. Topics so we are gonna cover though. Vybz Kartel dish shot upon her birthday, and Gully Bop get beaten again by another woman. This time I'm not gonna keep Gaza people them waiting because I always do that tune down. Cover one bag of story just before I cover the Vybz Kartel one. Put it last. But this time we're gonna do Vybz Kartel first. Vybz Kartel dish shot upon her birthday. On June the 8th, or June the 7th, I think of the 8th though, Tanisha Sharty Johnson celebrated her birthday. But Vybz Kartel ended up a dish shot upon her birthday. Vybz Kartel never make a birthday post to Sharty, none at all. No birthday wishes, nothing like that. Look like the man completely done with Sharty. It's been said that the two of them part still, you know. And with the Vybz Kartel that do up some people when them about him out, I talk about if you love Sharty, ray. And you sell out Sharty for this and that, but Vybz Kartel I make them know say, oh, watch this. Jano. But on June the 8th, Sharty celebrated her birthday and got no birthday wishes from Vybz Kartel. Some people are gonna sit down there and say, but you don't know if the man texts her, you don't know if the man call her. Vybz Kartel is a man who posts everything on him Instagram, birthday wishes to him son, him daughter, everybody. And the man has made birthday wishes to Sharty already on him Instagram. What's up with this here? Why him though wish Sharty a happy birthday? Despite the fact that there are rumors that the two of them break up, you know? But I feel as if him should have still wish Sharty a happy birthday. This part comes when him do after. The day after, the man put up a picture of him and a baby mother, Sophie, along with lines from one of him song, the song entitled Holding On. Not just that, the picture where the man upload, you see him baby mother, you see him and him son, and you see the love. I don't know what's the occasion why Vybz Kartel upload a picture there, upload a baby mother there, upload a song there or post the lyrics from the song there with it. To me, him just a throw shades at Sharty. And put oil on fire, I throw salt in the wounds. To be totally honest people, I never did know say I did Sharty birthday. I never know say Sharty recently celebrated her birthday. I knew nothing about Sharty's birthday. After me I look on Vybz Kartel picture, the one when post with him baby mother and so, I must see somebody wrote, not even wish Sharty happy birthday yesterday. She must sleep with your brother, kiss my teeth, favor idiot. Big up Sophia still. Apart from the first part of the post, we said not even wish Sharty happy birthday yesterday. When make me say, oh, a Sharty birthday for real. Person continue to say she must sleep with your brother, kiss my teeth, favor idiot. We don't know what go on with Sharty and Vybz Kartel. That little part there where she say I tell something. She not say Sharty sleep with her brother Vybz Kartel, no. She has said to Vybz Kartel a deal with Sharty. It does seem as if Sharty sleep with him brother. I must that because that's the only reason why I could have possibly a deal with her. So person is not agreeing with Vybz Kartel, you know, for that treatment the way I give Sharty. The person I say should have never treat her so. The only way me could have say she really a treat her so. I must because she fuck your brother. And it seems as if Vybz Kartel don't have a brother. I'm not certain about that still. Most of the talks I hear about him sister, father, mother and etc, uncle and so forth, but I never really hear about her brother. So I don't know if that the person I say. There is no reason on this earth for you to treat her so. I diss her up them way there. And you know say I had to dig a little deeper because I can't make my thing look lily. And for proof yesterday was Sharty's birthday. Our son, the one with them call Little Vybz, the man took it to Instagram to say, happy birthday my queen. Upload a picture with him and his mother. And that was 2 days ago, which is the 8th I think. Then again, it depends on the time, that's why I say 8th or the 7th. When me I think about it, you know, people, Vybz Kartel do Sharty bad over the years, you know. Because that song the way I talk about she holding on, although I hear Sophia name in it, me the thing says a nickname for Sharty. I never know the next woman Vybz Kartel I sing about. Vybz Kartel, I'm a boss, you know, but you do Sharty bad.
Yeah. We are come from far, and we can't turn back stand. The love you now go feel, test it can start, it must prevail. This is a real life love story. Dedicate to Sophia. Yeah, me love Sophie. Me nah go shame for say you bring me joy. Remember you give me two baby boy.
You do a bad man amount of woman you sing about papa. And we know your song them go cause you ever talk about you put your girl's story them in a song and them kind of thing there, you see me? Well no you talk them sitting there still people ever talk say put your life in a song. But me just say over the years they do Sharty real bad in a teach. The man sing about home teen woman. Home teen woman have a much different pitney. How much woman him fuck up from over here and Shorty have to understand that and know say so the thing go. Look pan teacher's pet and we understand or it's said that the man slept with every one of those pets. Every one of them before them left the show. Shorty have to sit down and go through them kind of thing there. At one point I see somebody make like a fake profile. You see me? And them upload Shorty picture. And I see the comments them on that and some of the people must say it's an ungrateful bitch because the picture them must say single now and re. And the people say it's an ungrateful bitch, look how much Cartel do for you. Oh my god, man. So I mean if you tell me if Shorty actually have a profile and then put up single now, I so need to go deal with her because when Vybz Kartel basically I make would know say him and Shorty now link nobody now send him to Cartel. So I don't know if you slam Shorty so because Shorty go through a lot. With Cartel. At the end of the day, Cartel will remain the Dan. Because him a the musician, him a Vybz Kartel, him a world boss. And a fame music we love, don't it? But at the end of the day, we can't bash Shorty. Although me not bash Shorty still, you know, the people them can't bash Shorty. When them are free of Vybz Kartel, you see me? The two of them break up, nobody bash her, she come out and say she's single, although the profile was fake. But me I say, what if it was real and she actually come out and say she's single now? I saw the people them not gonna do her. But back to what me I say about Shorty birthday still. Vybz Kartel, if you deal with it like a better man, give the woman like more respect than that. At the end of the day, I know say Gaza fans not gonna like what me I say, you know. I know enough of them not gonna like what me I say, not all of, you know, a few, or probably a little bit more than a few. But when I have looking at things, man, the man for give her more respect than that. Not through my Cartel, you're the boss same way, you know. But you have to give Shorty more respect than that, man. You this her with that little Sophie thing there, where you put up the day after. I know say a stylings. Stylings like me I say, little more salt on the wound, little more oil on the fire. But people want to tell me nothing still. To golly bop, people. I'm there with somebody yesterday and I watch the clips of Gully Bop and I say, no this thing to Gully Bop but woman no fit you my boss. Cause you can't, I don't mean say if you got on fish, you know. It's just like a figure of speech when you say woman no fit you. Because too bad them a do you. Too bad. Everything, every woman come cross style you, them beat you. I don't know, is either you are the problem or them are the problem. Is either them never coming at the picture for you, them just coming at the picture for fame, money and all of them things. So them naturally never have that love they feel. And them not try, pretend like them have the love for you. Cause every single woman you put yourself with it always work out bad. Them beat you up, Shana Chin bust your face with lock. I'm already up bad. Olive must put you out in the snow. Boy, Bob. People check out the little clips still.
See the face.
Gully Bop just beat me up.
See
and I'm
that?
his wife. Gully Bop
She
just
has
beat me
started
up.
me.
Gully
Everywhere
Bop
I
just
go.
beat me up.
Yeah, start me.
Yes.
You see there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm at Nuts River.
Yeah.
I'm
Relationship
in Nuts
have
River.
been done.
He
Look
just
now,
beat
look
me
at
up.
family in the country. And she follow me.
Huh?
Yeah. I'm looking at my face.
This ain't Nuts River. This ain't Nuts River, man. And he's
See it
pulling
on
on me
Facebook?
right now. Get off
See
me,
it?
Robert!
Look how far I go. Huh?
I don't know the address. I gotta get the address and call you back. Yeah.
Huh? Huh?
917
Look how far I go.
312 9471. Yeah.
In Facebook, look how far I come, Facebook. Look how far I come. Look. We're in the country. Yeah. Facebook, call code for that one. Yeah. Look how far I'm there. Where. She fly from foreign and come down here. Imagine me have everything Facebook. Facebook me not disrespect her. Facebook, look how far the girl come down here. She take my phone.
And if you hear the voice kind of rough in the morning, you remember me just wake up early Sunday morning. You see what time o'clock, you see what time I knock up and get the fuck out of here. And that's usual, my people. Bad.
Shoot on your flame to the fire. It's spraying like your name on a flyer. They wanna take me in a top farm.
Them kind of energy of people, I feel as if I be up on the beach under a palm tree, sip on a coconut. But which palm of manners there? What going people? How you doing? Bless up on the Saturday here.
Yeah, we in a top farm. Louis V don't know fat farm. In a smarty data make a gun. Same flame, top farm.
Yes, people, to the stories right away. A Bob Marley film is in the making. Bob Marley's eldest son, Ziggy Marley, has teamed up with Paramount Pictures to develop a biopic about the late reggae legend. According to the information garnered from Billboard.com, the movie will focus on the life story of the global music icon. The film is still in its planning stages, and so there's very little information available to the public so far, including a possible release date. Since the announcement was made, there has been a growing interest in the project.